I just discovered a new feature of ChatGPT that I haven't heard discussed or announced by OpenAI yet. It's the ability to use multiple custom GPTs in a single conversation thread. And here's how it works. Jump over to ChatGPT as you normally would. In this case, I'm using GPT-4 in my Plus account, and just start typing a prompt. I'll say, help me write a script about the latest AI news. And now if you do the @ symbol, you'll notice that it pops up a list of all of your custom GPTs that you have. So in this case, we'll go to the Media Mentor, and we'll go ahead and submit this message. You can see it starts chatting directly with my All Your Tech Media Mentor. This is my custom GPT. But here's the really cool thing. Now I can either follow up with another message to this, or I can mention an entirely different custom GPT, and I can say, now create a thumbnail for this. And as you can see, this time it's talking to my custom GPT that's All Your Tech AI art bot. And this is really cool. Now, I just discovered this a few minutes ago, so I haven't had a chance to do a deep dive yet and figure out all the nuances of what you can do, but I'm sure people will come up with a lot of really cool ideas for this. Let me know yours in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button. As always, I'm Brian Lovett. This is All Your Tech AI, and we'll see you soon.
I'm the virtual prophet in the tech town, breaking down AI, wearing the crown, from basics to complex, never let you down. All Your Tech AI, earning the renown.